In the dance of life, let your steps be guided by the rhythm of your heart, for therein lies the truest expression of self. Amidst the chaos, find solace in the whispers of nature, for in its tranquility the soul finds its sanctuary. Like a phoenix rising from ashes, let adversity be the catalyst for your greatest transformation. In the tapestry of existence, every thread of experience weaves a story of resilience and growth. Embrace the symphony of diversity, for it is in the harmonious blend of differences that unity finds its strength. In the garden of life, nurture the seeds of kindness, for they blossom into the most beautiful flowers of humanity. Through the lens of gratitude, even the mundane becomes a masterpiece of blessings. As the stars illuminate the night sky, let your dreams shine brightly amidst the darkness of doubt. In the pursuit of knowledge, let curiosity be your compass, guiding you to the shores of wisdom. Like a river flowing endlessly, let your journey be one of fluidity, adapting to the twists and turns of fate. In the silence of introspection, find the wisdom that whispers from the depths of your soul. Life's canvas is painted with a palette of emotions. Embrace each hue, for it adds depth to the masterpiece of existence. In the dance of destiny, let your footsteps leave an imprint of courage and resilience on the sands of time. Like a beacon in the night, let love illuminate your path, guiding you through the darkest of nights. In the garden of friendship, cultivate the seeds of trust, for they blossom into the most beautiful bonds of companionship.